handsome. Sir Alex, I'm here in your house. I'm here in your house. Yeah, that's you. Where are you from, Sir Alex? Living the RV motorhome life. Oh, very nice.
What is the synonym of school?
Academy?
Answer A. Academy.
Academy?
What is the synonym of hospital?
Clinic?
Answer C.
Imbagam kinipapang mo.
Ikaw pa sa timak idata mo.
Room? Ay, archive.
Archive. What is the synonym of hotel?
In. Lodge?
Answer C. Lodge. What is the synonym of court?
Justice?
Answer A. Tribunal. What is the synonym of school?
Nisa may kapagwanan may.
Makikimanan? Makiam.
Question 1. In which country is there no night?
Finland.
Answer A. Finland. Question 2. What is the capital of Brazil? Answer B. Brasilia. Question 3. What animal can sleep standing up?
Please guys, support me. He is connecting me. I love you both. Horse.
Answer C. Horse. Question 4. How many bones does the human body have?
206.
Answer C. 206. Question 5.
What is the only movable bone in the head?
Answer A.
Mandible.
Mandible. Question 6. What is the rarest blood type? Give the answer of this question in the comment section. Question 1. In which country is there?
Wow. Bala ka lang.
Oo, pag mo ako.
Nagsakit na rin.